So I'm going to go ahead and take a look at line 5 right here. In line 5, I have my H1 element, and there's just a lot going on in this one line. And to me, everything looks congested and just jumbled together. I'm a very visual person, and I like things just looking nice. So this isn't necessary, but something that I would recommend. So let's say instead of everything being on one line, I can go ahead and put this on separate lines. So what I can do is right before color, if I hit enter or the return key, that knocks it down to the next line. And then also, let's say right after that semicolon, let's say right after this semicolon, and then I'll go ahead and do it right after this semicolon as well. And now everything is on a separate line. And to me, that just looks nice. It looks nicer, and I can just visualize each one. Each line is for something different. And then also for our P, for our paragraph, I can go down here and change the color, right? And maybe I also change font family. A popular font is Helvetica. And maybe I'll change the font size to 200%. Okay, and that way all my H1 properties, right? My properties and values are lined up, and my paragraph properties and values are lined up. And if I run it, notice that I still get the same outcome. I changed the font size to 200 here, but I still get the same exact thing. Like you can write your H1 like that, opposed to all on the same line. To me, that just looks nicer. Some of you might prefer the other way, but I figure at least throw this out here. This is typically how I would write it. And I just don't like things being all in one line, just a long line of code. I can make it more visual pleasing. Okay. And that's just how I would recommend laying out your properties and values.